In this video, I will show you how to create an Impact Radius account or an Impact Affiliate account. Now you can see I already have one, and if you also want to go and sign up, then just follow the steps in this video. So first go to impact.com, and if you want to sign up as an affiliate, what you want to do is go to Publishers and click Affiliates. Now here you will see they already have a few brands you can partner with, but you can just click on, but what you can do is just click Get Started Today. And from there you can sign up and start earning, so you can sign up with email, Apple, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn, or if you have an account you can sign in. For this example I'll use Google. From there they will then send you a verification code to your email address. From there, to complete your sign up, enter your first and last name and your phone number. And then they will send a verification code to your phone number. Then just gonna click verify. Then they will ask you how would you categorize your business. So just select whichever one best describes you. For example, I'll go with search or comparison. From there, click continue. And then which methods do you use to promote? Choose all and apply. So it can be offline or online. For example, I'll go with social. And then let's say I use YouTube. Then I just click YouTube. And from there, I can then sign into YouTube. If you don't have a website, then you could do, for example, email or offline. And if you do offline, you can make it, for example, in store, newspaper, whatever way you want to promote it. So for example, product placement, they can give it a description, how they can verify your ownership, a language, etc. But if you just have a social account or a mobile app or a podcast, that's the easiest. I'll just use a website. After doing that, click continue. Then tell them about you, so if you're an individual, select that. If you're a company, do that. Then your account display name, your country or region, your mailing address, time zone and currency. And then you need to read and agree to the partner agreement and master program agreement. Then after doing that, go and complete your marketplace profile, which will take about 5 minutes, so just click get started. And from here answer all of the questions and fill everything out that they want to know. So basically the marketplace profile is what the brands that you are applying to will see. And after you've done that, you can go to Discover at the top, click Find Brands, and then here you can find brands that you would like to work with. You can also search for them. For example, if I search for Adidas, you will see that they have Adidas for all these different countries. So now you know how to create an Impact Affiliate account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.